how to tune to drop D. So my guitar is in standard tuning, and now we're gonna learn how to tune to drop D to play really cool songs like Killing in the Name of by Rage Against the Machine, or perhaps Freak by Silverchair, or any other cool songs. So what we need to do is we need to tune our 6th string, the thickest string, down to the note D from our standard tuning E. So here's my tuner on the screen. I'm going to play my E's, my 6th string, which is tuned to E, and then I'm going to take my tuning peg, which corresponds to that string. We're going to tune the string down to the note D. Now, if you are on an electric guitar that has some kind of floating bridge like mine, all of the other notes are going to be slightly sharp. So what we want to do here is go through and double check and retune all the other strings as well. If your guitar is usually in standard tuning, I would recommend double checking this anyway. So I'm going to do that now really quickly. So now I'm in drop D, I can play. Hope that helps. See you on the next video.